Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're pinning colors. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. The next one is coral red color. Stay with us. Wow, so many colors. Kids, the next one is emerald green color. Rose beige color. And the next one is cream color. Cream color. Kids, the next one is lavender color. Stay with us. The next one is mint blue color. Mint blue color. Wow. The next one is vivid green color. Vivid green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is black color. Black color. Black color. Yes, now we open scarlet color. Scarlet color. And the next one is warm gray color. The last one is forest green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets A to Z. First we're using the color of, yes, forest green color A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. Coral red color. Yes, D. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Lavender color. Yes, G for goat. H, I. J for jackfruit. Raw silk color. Yes, K, L, M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Yes, black color. O, P, Q for queen. Mint blue color. R, S, T. Coral red color. U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.